everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys this gel kit from Amazon and I absolutely love it. First, it comes with this cuticle pusher, you know, for your cuticles. So it comes with nail tip guides that, like, if you want to do a French nail tip, you can use that. It comes with these for your toes. It comes with emery boards, like I said. It comes with a tool if you want to make dots or designs or whatever on your nails. It comes with the little line tape if you want to create lines on your nails. It comes with that, and it comes with the alcohol pads for the UV light. But you really don't need these because the top coat is a no wipe top coat. So this is a cuticle cutter, and I absolutely love this. Yeah, so this is a cuticle cutter. And it also comes with some cuticle oil, and I absolutely love that it came with this because this is an essential. This is like, you will really need this. And it comes with some rhinestones as well. So I mean, you really get a lot with this kit. So of course it comes with a base coat and a top coat, and you will have to cure these for 2 minutes. So this kit comes with 6 gel colors, and this is the light. It's USB, so you know, if you wanted to plug it into your laptop or anything, you can do that. But this is the light. You turn it on, and then you got 30 seconds, and then you have 60 seconds. So you can use polishes that need to cure under a UV light, or you can use polishes that can cure under a LED light. So it really doesn't matter. And the polishes, it comes with instructions in case you are not sure. So that's always good. And I will have everything about this light and everything in the description. So first, if you haven't already, go ahead and check out my previous video on how I do my nails at home. But these are the nails that I use. I mean, I guess it's really good for beginners, but if you are like wanting to do your nails a lot, go ahead and purchase some tips off Amazon. It comes like 500 pieces. That's what I'm getting ready to do. This was really temporary because you don't get a lot of sets out of this. This is 100 pieces, and you don't get that many sets. So this is my second time, and I only have one size that I need left. So I mean, but you can go ahead and cut these to your liking, I guess, but I'm not gonna do all of that. I'm just gonna go ahead and purchase a whole bunch off Amazon, and yeah, so I can keep doing my nails at home. But go ahead and check out my previous video on how I lay my nails, or how I put them on, and all of that stuff. And yeah. So first, I just like to go ahead and buff my nails. I like to go ahead and shape them. I'm gonna go ahead and just buff them just to give them some texture. I will show you how this emery board works, if just for the sake of people wanting to go out and purchase this kit. I will show you how this emery board works. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start to file the corners of my nails just to sharpen them. As you can see, it's becoming sharp, and you can see my side is more sharp, and then their side is more rounded. I don't know if you can see it, but their side is round, and my side is like more like pointed down. They have a curve to theirs, so I don't really like that curved look, but so as you can see, it's coming to a point. I mean, it's getting better. So as you can see, mine are sharp and theirs are like oval as fuck. I don't have a lot of gel polishes, well, the colors that I like to use. I like to go in with regular polish, and once all of those are completely dry on my nails, I like to go in and put the gel top coat, so I can know that it's like, you know, on there all day. It's not gonna chip or anything. But you really, in order to do that, you have to make sure that the polish underneath like the regular polish, is completely dry, like completely dry. If you do not make sure it's completely dry, your polish will start to bubble. It will start to it will just move around underneath, and yeah, it'll just be a disaster. So please make sure that it's completely dry in order to do that. So the look that I wanted to do today is like, I don't know how to explain it, but I want to use all of these colors. So for this look, you just want to go and put the colors on top of each other, basically. So, like, I'm going to show you now. So, you just want to, like, place the colors wherever you want them to be. Wherever you want the colors to be. So now I'm just gonna I'm gonna go with the blue, and I'm going to just place this somewhere. I want to kind of do like a paintbrush look. So it don't have to be perfect on my nail. I want it to be kind of like, you know, random. I want it to be kind of thrown on there like a paintbrush. So like that. I hope you can see that. I have to go in with more blue because I didn't get the sides. And make sure this is completely dry. And you want to do thin layers because you want this to dry, you know, pretty fast. So now you see how I lost my blue? I'm just gonna bring it back. Like so. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this for all of my nails, and wow. I'm gonna do this for all of my nails, and I will be right back. So I wanna add some glitter. So I'm gonna mix some glitter. Okay, so I'm gonna use these colors. Some of these glitters, right? And I'm just going to place that wherever I put. And then I'm going to cure this so it'll stay. And I also wanted to use some rhinestones, so I'm going to go ahead and add a few rhinestones. And again, we are going to use the top coat so to cure. This is what I'm looking like so far. Okay. These colors together mix so well, this green and silver. Okay, so now I'm gonna cure this for 30 seconds. This is what my nails look like when they are all done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed doing these. I was very inspired by Picasso, but I think that they came out great and just how I like them. But yeah, so I thank you guys for watching this video.